In the hood for gold grills and poppin' seals. An icon on the mic for showcasing my verbal skills. I'm in the club posted up with some gangbangers, still flipping the old school candy Cadillac on swingers. I got a styrofoam white cup full of that drink, looking for that dank. My hustle game sharp as a shank. Big bank take little bank, 84s and candy paint. Trying to find some honey love, my mackin' game is top rank. These hoes peeping me, ear hustling on the side, eavesdropping my conversation. Trying to.
What's your name, sir, with the camera? Please identify. Sir, with the camera, can you please identify, sir? Name and badge number, Sheriff. Before I want to call you Justice Smith and asking him for your name and badge number. Now, I'm just trying to read it from here. I want that. I don't want to talk, bro. I was trying to read that. Please make sure you identify, sir, as this career policy. Like, you know, gang banging or something? That's kind of the way it looks. I'm not out here to start no ruckus. I'm a peaceful guy. One person should suffice. The only time I'm gonna choose you guys with any type of violence, you guys violating my rights or attempting to arrest me illegally, like Officer Snyder here. Who are you?
I'm a safe class. I got you. Camera operator. Would you mind holding it for a second? Okay. I can get my mask on.
Yep.
Yeah. Can you let me know what his name and badge number is? I want to make sure I don't miss that, sir.
I'll throw this on in case you guys need it.
I'm going to actually need everybody's name. Can you guys please identify everybody? Okay. No? No one can identify? Backwards? You guys got it? Yep. Will you guys please identify, officers? Okay. No identifications.
Separate. I got a bad leg here, so you're gonna have to try it, okay? Come on. There you go. I just stood up always in the wall. Yeah, that's can I do this all over? Okay, because I had a lower back injury. Alright. Better? So, excellent. Yes, Jim, we're working. I'm allergic to iodine, but I do not submit myself to any type of medical testing by government agencies outside of my personal doctor.
Okay, we just gotta ask. Alright? Do you have any thoughts of self-harm?
No, sir.
Alright, have you ever tried to attempt self-harm in the past?
No, sir. I'm not crazy.
I still gotta.
No, I'm a constitutionalist. I'm an American citizen. I've broken no laws. I'm being violated right now. And you guys are not just assisting in the process of that violation. That's why I kind of want badge numbers and names.
Have you had anything to drink or
No, sir.
drugs or alcohol?
No, I might smell like a little booze, but I haven't consumed anything.
Nothing?
No, sir. Not these at all.
Hey, officer, do you have any concerns about this guy?
Yep.
Right leg?
Right leg because of two of the steppers.
Okay, outside of that, do you have any other medical concerns?
His shorts.
I mean, you're gonna still mind, am I gonna run around my underwear naked?
No, we're gonna give you some pants, but would you willingly give us your shorts and take them off?
Well, I'm gonna say if it's a lawful order, I will give up my shorts. If it's not a lawful order, and
It is a lawful order.
Are you sure about
I just
that?
wanna make
You
sure
have,
you're safe.
you have to take away my shorts.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's a lawful order. Are you sure?
We're not gonna debate this.
Okay.
Either a yes or no answer.
Well, sir, I'm gonna go.
Do you want a yes or no answer? Are you gonna give it to us or not?
Sir, you can.
If not, we'll just take it from you now.
You can take it. Go ahead. Take my first. Go ahead.
Someone will support you on your way down.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have to take my stuff, stick my face in the ground and steal my clothes now. I'm not resisting by any means. My penis is now touching a dirty floor and that's not really cool. I hope you guys have the sanitizer first.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you come back, officer, so my penis isn't touching the concrete floor? I think that's going to the toilet. No? No one's willing to take my penis off the floor?
You'll be able to get up on your own here in a second.
Well, I appreciate your courtesy and professionalism. Will anyone please identify for your call, sir?
For one and all, but your life saved. Demo, that's on a life day. I'm getting down. Like it said freeze. So won't be the one ending up on his knees. Please. But the only thing you can't steal was came out the play.